what is the value of time period in a second? Whereas the particle given in a question is exhibiting the simple harmonic motion with the amplitude of 3 centimeter. Apart from that, there is a detail about the magnitude of a velocity. It's given that the magnitude of a velocity and the acceleration of an exhibited simple harmonic motion is equal for a given particle. It's known that the time period can be calculated using a formula 2 pi divided by omega, whereas omega is representing the angular velocity. For solving or for calculating time period, first we need a value of omega. So we can calculate the value of omega by using velocity and acceleration equation. It's given in the question, the velocity and the acceleration magnitudes are equal for a given particle. Whereas the equation of velocity is nothing but omega root of a square minus x square. Whereas the equation of acceleration is minus omega square x. But here it's given in the question, the magnitudes are equal. So we can take omega root of a square minus x square will be equal to omega square x. When we are rearranging the equation in terms of omega, we will get the value of time period. So now we need a value of omega from this. It's given in the question, the amplitude of a simple harmonic motion is 3 centimeter. So A is representing 3 centimeter and X is representing the value of the distance, or else we can say the distance of a mean position. It's given as 2 centimeter in the question. Now we can apply the values in a formula. So we will get omega root of 9 minus 4 is equal to omega square. It can be written as root 5 is equal to omega. When we are simplifying, omega will be equal to root 5 divided by 2. So now we have a value of omega. But here the question is about calculating the time period. So time period will be equal to 2 pi divided by omega. So here we can write 2 pi divided by root of 5 over 2, which will be equal to 4 pi divided by root 5. So the time period in a second for a simple harmonic motion given in a question 4 pi over root 5. So the correct answer for this question is answer option B.